So today we're going to be exploring the Koreatown area in Manhattan.
Wow, look at this. Hey guys. Stay till the end of the video because I have a giveaway. So please watch the video till the end. Would you mind telling the viewers?
So we have this citadel gin, we call this falling. On top we have the mint oil. It's a green apple coconut cordial.
Good evening everyone. Hope everybody is doing well and welcome to another YouTube video from beautiful New York City. So today we're going to be exploring the Koreatown area in Manhattan. You know, there's a couple of Koreatowns in New York City. There's another one in Flushing, Queens. One day we'll go and videotape over there as well, but today we are in Midtown, Koreatown, and this place is famous for all kinds of Korean restaurants, bars, karaoke places, grocery stores. So let's get this video started and we're going to go and explore all these places together. As you can see, there's a lot of people over here and there's a lot of Korean stores, restaurants right in the middle of Manhattan, and there are spas, all kinds of cool places. And of course, Korean barbecue is something that's very famous. So came to this izakaya place. So it's kind of very cozy. It's kind of a bar. It has got great ramen noodles and all that. So let me just show you what is available on the menu, and I will show you exactly what we are ordering. So they have got Korean spicy udon, tan udon, all kinds of udon, and they have got also cold udon noodles. Then they have got, you know, beer, cocktail, sake, all that. So it's pretty interesting. So got a cup of jasmine tea. Actually not jasmine tea, it's just green tea. And it's so cold outside, so this is gonna hopefully warm me up. And I don't think I mentioned the name of this place. It's called Udon Labs. It's a udon and izakaya bar. So it's just very, very festive over here. Oh, thank you. The Christmas lights are kind of still there, the Christmas decorations. So it's very, very nice over here. This is the garlic cucumber. Time to dig in. Let's see how this garlic cucumber tastes. It's a cold appetizer. It's very healthy. It's got this garlic, kind of a creamy sauce on top of it. Very crunchy, very fresh. Very unique flavor. Haven't ever had this before. Love it. It's got this huge spicy ramen with beef and kimchi. It's the Korean spicy ramen kimchi. So let's taste it. Let's see how it is. It's a lot of food, definitely. Here you go, guys. Wow, this is really, really good. The thick noodles and the beef in it, and the spicy kimchi broth. Wow. Just freezing outside, and this warm broth just revitalizes you, so you can go around again after this. The food was just absolutely excellent. So the soup was $22, the cucumbers were $9, and the tea was about $3. So that was the total. I think it's $5. Yes, the tea was about $5. So that was the total, guys. Not super cheap, but not too bad for Manhattan either. So guys, there are more stuff that I'll be showing you over here. There's a very, very good Korean barbecue chicken place. That's where we are going next, so don't go away, more to come. And by the way, please stay till the end of the video because I have a giveaway, so please watch the video till the end, and the giveaway is going to come at the end of the video. Thank you so much. There's a lot more to discover, so let's go, guys. Came to this place called Grace Coffee. It's, as you can see, it's totally packed,
and just ordered a mango madness and a cappuccino. So kind of in between the ramen place and the chicken place, we're gonna have this, and then again head to the chicken place. So they give you these buzzers. So you pay outside, then they give you this buzzer. So once it starts buzzing, you go and actually pick up your coffee and dessert from the coffee bar right over there.
Wow, look at this. This is the mango madness. It is madness. Wow, this is so cool. Also got this cappuccino. It has got that bar on top.
So time to eat this and see how it actually tastes. It looks yummy. Definitely, it will taste yummy. Hey guys. It's really awesome. It's basically vanilla ice cream with the mango syrup on top, and actually has got some fresh mangoes and bananas. I'm gonna put a link below. Definitely visit this place if you're in Koreatown. Time to taste the cappuccino. Very nice, very creamy, very nice. I asked them to make it with skim milk, so the froth is much better with the skim milk always, and I love it with skim milk, and it's a little bit healthier than whole milk. There's tons of these dessert places all over Koreatown, so when you're here, definitely visit one of these places because you will love Korean desserts. So came to this place called Turntable Chicken, and it's supposed to be a Korean barbecue chicken place with this kind of, the theme is turntables, and sometimes DJs play over here too. Very cool place. So very relaxed atmosphere. Love the music over here. It's a very quaint kind of place. I'm gonna put a link below. Definitely check this place out. It's a totally different vibe. It's got the nice jazz music also playing over here. It's absolutely fantastic. Let's see what the food looks like, and I'm going to share with you anyway. So guys, I ordered 4 drumsticks with soy garlic sauce. Should be good, but the wait is 30 minutes to get it. So chose to get a beer. It's a Korean beer. It's called Terra Lager. So let's see how it is. So just chilling out over here, listening to the nice jazz music, and just enjoying this nice Korean lager beer. Nice, kind of refreshing, not too heavy, not the dark beer. It's kind of, as I said, all of these beers I almost feel like, whether it's Qingdao or this one, kind of tastes like Heineken to me. So it's nice. If you like a Heineken type of beer, you will like this one as well. So here is the barbecue chicken. Actually not barbecue chicken, it's kind of it's fried chicken. It's a Korean fried chicken. And this is the smallest plate. This is only 4 drumsticks. The rest are like, I think they've got 6, 12, something like that. Time to devour this chicken drumsticks. Let's see how it is. Ooh, it's hot. It's actually deep fried, guys. This is not barbecue. I'm totally wrong. This is deep fried with soy and garlic sauce on top. Smells awesome. It's very crispy on the outside. It has got a little bit of a sweet kind of flavor to it, but not too sweet. Kind of a light sweet flavor. But you can taste the honey and a little bit of soy sauce, of course, and very light touch of garlic. Amazing. Definitely not very healthy, but very tasty. I'll wash it down with some beer. Guys, we came at this place called Unveil, and it's just a fabulous Korean themed bar come restaurant. The menu looks incredible, and the drinks is out of this world, and the staff is incredibly hospitable. So I'm going to show you what I'm drinking, what I'm eating over here. So stick around and enjoy this whole experience with me, please. Got some oysters to start with. All right, it's a gin-based drink. Would you mind telling the viewers?
So we have this Citadel gin, we call this Falling. On top we have the mint oil. It's a green apple coconut cordial and some citrus.
Awesome. Thank
Cheers,
you.
brother.
It looks awesome too. So cheers, guys. This drink is just awesome. It's gin based. It's so refreshing. I definitely recommend that you come to this place. You would love this. I'll put a link below. Fantastic food, fantastic drink, and great service. And the ambience is just out of this world. It's a little bit not on 32nd Street, this is on 31st Street, so not exactly in the middle of Koreatown. But Koreatown is expanding, and this is more of the newer part of the Koreatown. But fabulous drink, and fabulous food, fabulous service. So guys, time for the giveaway. So you have been seeing that I've been doing a lot of these $50 challenge videos across the city. And I need some input, and I need some advice from you guys, from you viewers. What's the next $50 challenge that I would like, that you want me to do in New York City? And the winning one, the ones that I like, because I'm going to go through all the comments that you put in, the winning one, the winning person is going to get a $20 Amazon gift card. So please put your comments on the next $50 challenge that you want me to do in New York City. Right now, only for New York City. Later I'm going to do for the rest of the world or the rest of the country, but only for New York City. So the winning person is going to get a $20 Amazon gift certificate from me. So please put your comments below, and I would like to do that as part of the next $50 challenge in New York City. So a couple of things, only please make this in New York City, but because we're going to only do this for New York City for now. So please put your comments below. A $20 Amazon gift certificate awaits the winner. Grocery store. I've got some amazing Korean stuff over here. Wow. Look at the bakery section, the bread, and this is very authentic stuff. This is a very famous Korean alcoholic drink, maku. Wow, more authentic Korean products, just Asian products. This is not necessarily Korean. Wow, amazing variety of kimchi over here. It's my favorite. Fresh kimchi. Guys, definitely taking this home. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video today, this trip to Koreatown in middle of Manhattan. If you're liking my videos, definitely give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel, because that's how I get this content going. And thank you for your support, and good night from New York City. Take care until the next video. Bye.